Hello everyone, I'm Anuprathipa. I'm currently pursuing my undergraduate degree in the branch of food technology in SNS College of Technology. Now I'm going to present my case study topic. My topic is artificial intelligence in grading. The problem statement is nowadays the quality of food plays significant role in our day-to-day life. The price of the product depends on the quality of the food. Earlier, to check the quality of the food, manual grading process is used. To overcome this problem, the automation grading process based on machine version is implemented to integrate existing technologies in new ways. The first step of my case study is empathy part. It is defined as the ability to understand the problem and to find solution. The second part of my case study is define part. It includes, first of all, AI could significantly improve packaging and increase shelf life and food safety by making more transparent supply chain management. With the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the future of food industries is completely based on smart farming, robotic farming and drones. Then the definition of grading is the inspection, assessment and sorting of various food regarding quality, freshness, legal conformity and market value is very important. The artificial intelligence in grading will help us to improve the quality of food and also helps to find the quality of food easily. Hence, the artificial intelligence method in grading will help us to find the quality of food using machine version and computer intelligence. The third part of my case study is ideate. That is, the grading system is used to detect the quality of the food products. This system have been processed manually where it is not efficient and time consuming. To overcome these problems and to reduce the labor requirements, the machine vision technique is developed for grading system. The hardware and software are needed for this machine vision system. Each and every food products are graded by specific grading methods. Here I have studied about coffee grading using machine learning. That is, Oliveira and Farida et al. Proposed image processing and ANN based models to grade raw coffee beans. Oliveira extracted only the color features for classification. While color is one of the attributes for manual grading, it is not only the deciding factor. Both the authors prepared their own dataset capturing the images of the beans in a controlled environment. Camera distance, illumination and size of images were adjusted during image acquisition. Researchers also used image processing and machine learning to classify beans according to their geographic origin and detect defective coffee beans. All the research took the image of single bean in a controlled environment for classification. This approach may be applied for sorting beans before grading but does not provide full information to grade beans. It is noticed that there is a few work in crop grading using machine learning, especially deep learning is applied. Such papers, it is noticed that only one method is used, that is conventional neural network. The deep learning model used is chosen between ResNet 152 and VGG16 based on their performance to classify coffee beans. The results shows that ResNet 152 could achieve a highest accuracy of 73.3% and it also could be embedded in a functional mobile application. That is, a mobile application is developed and powered by deep learning based model to automatically classify coffee beans quality via a mobile camera. After grading of coffee beans, they are classified into 5 categories. That is, grade 1, specially grade coffee beans, grade 2, premium grade coffee beans, grade 3, exchange grade coffee beans, grade 4, standard grade coffee beans, grade 5, off grade coffee beans. Grade 1 coffee beans include no primary defects, 0 to 3 full defects, sorted with a maximum of 5% above and 5% below specified screen size or range of screen size, and exhibiting a distinct attribute in one or more of the following areas: taste, acidity, body or aroma. Also must be free up of cup faults and taints. 0 quackers allowed and moisture content is between 9 to 13%. Next, grade 2 premium grade coffee beans are same as grade 1 except maximum of 3 quackers, 0 to 8 full defects. Then grade 3 grade coffee beans include 50% above screen 15 and less than 5% below screen 15. Maximum of 5 quackers must be free from faults, 9 to 23 full defects. Grade 4 standard grade coffee beans 24 to 86 full defects. Grade 5 off grade coffee beans more than 86 full defects. And here come to conclusion. The aim of this work was to design a coffee plant disease identification and grading system using machine learning and image processing techniques. Since coffee is one among the agricultural products that earn the country its foreign currency, assisting the production and processing of coffee with recent technologies is of utmost importance for increasing productivity as well as boosting the economy of the country. Therefore, two models were designed and evaluated using deep learning. One that classifies coffee plant diseases using images of the plant or parts of the plant. Another that grades coffee raw beans into their quality categories using images of the beans captured by mobile devices. Finally, the design models are deployed on an easy to use Android app so that the farmer can use to get accurate information about their plant that helps them to take appropriate measure. Now let us discuss about some assessment questions. With the help of AI and ML, the future of food industries is completely based on smart farming, robotic farming, drones, all of the above. Hence, the answer is all of the above. The next question is, in grading, coffee beans are classified into how many grades? That is 5 grades. The other question is, what are the two diseases that found in coffee leaf? Coffee rust, coffee wilt, both A and B. Here we have discussed about coffee rust and coffee wilt, so both the answers are correct. Who proposed image processing and ANN based model in grading of coffee beans? Olivera et al., Farida et al. Are the correct answers. My presentation is ended. I ensure that I have provided valuable information about artificial intelligence in grading. Thank you for your valuable time.